What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Party by Myself by WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button. Also, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description or in the pinned comment below. It is the Patreon link there. You can find this on my Patreon page. All of my guitar tabs are free there. Also, if you need the guitar chords, you can find them in the ebook that's on my Patreon page titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. But if you need the guitar tab, check the Patreon link down below. Let's jump into it. This is how you play it. All right, guys, this song is in standard tuning, and you do need a capo on the 2nd fret. You're going to start by putting your middle finger on the low E string on the 3rd fret, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. So start of like a G chord. Then put your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the D. We're going to start by picking and move your pinky from 5 to 4. So that's E, A, D, D. Then use that same exact picking pattern to pick the same strings. And now this might be a little tricky for you beginners, but you're going to use your index finger that's already on A. You're just going to lay it flat to also cover the 2nd fret on the D string. So and again, E, A, D, D for your string picking. Keep it there, pick the same strings, but you're taking your index finger off and picking that D string open this time. So that's now here it changes up just a little bit. Pick the same E and A, but then put your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A, and then take it back off. That's kind of like the first half of the riff, so let me play that slowly for you. Now the second half is much easier than the first half, it looks like. So all that is open, E, A, D, then back to A, 2 on the low E, and pick the same strings. And then back to that beginning G formation with your index on the 2nd fret of the A and your ring finger, or your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E, and pick that twice. So now I'm going to play that all together slowly one time through so you can see what it looks like. Here we go. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing and you will have this song down in no time. Like I said, if you need the guitar tab, you can find that in the Patreon link that's in the video description and in the pinned comment below. I have all my guitar tabs there for free for everybody. You just have to sign up to become a member, but it's free, that you can use the free tier. I do have other paid tiers that I'm gonna be adding more information or more benefits and things like that for. I have a few on there now, but anything that you guys would like to see, please let me know. The ebook is there on one of the tiers. It's Master the Guitar in 7 days. And yeah, I'm going to be pulling a lot of my requests from Patreon first, and then I'll pull them from the YouTube comments. But if you do have any questions, if you have any comments, if you do have any songs you want to see, leave them on the Patreon or leave them here in the comment section below. If you need anything else, check the video description. I have all my useful links for everything in there, and we'll see you guys in the next video.